It is the 12th of October, 2023. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
This is Lauren Salter in Nanaimo, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I mainly did just some follow-up on getting us going on the updating the website. And that was pretty much it. Coming week, I hope to do more on the Sunfounder and the tank level, and blocks are just a lot going on. And actually, I'm going to be traveling soon. I may be. It looks like I may be going to Europe for a month. So
wow.
Yeah. I'm going east first of all, and then at the moment I just have the ticket for there, but I'm planning on going from Toronto to Europe. And back to you.
Okay, it is Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. For last week, I did a little bit of work today on the knitting machine. I started up version 0.62 and copied it to a new version, fixed some spelling mistakes, and took a video of a demonstration because that's what was the next thing on my list. It isn't edited, it isn't posted, but I've got it. I've taken the video, and I did add another couple of updates to Trello. So that's what I got done this week. Next week, hoping to edit and post the demo video and post version 0.63 to Wikifactory, which will probably be all I get done. And of course, hoping to get Trello updated when I get those things done. And then blocks, just working in the yard. Lots of stuff that I can do when I'm home. Because I was at the lake all year. I didn't get anything done in the yard, so there's a lot of stuff to do. Back to you.
Okay, so I'm going to give myself a 4, team A 8, and yeah, I'm going to make that a 5 for me and team an 8, and process improvement is could carry on with parts like the website, and back to you.
Okay, I estimated that I could get one thing done, and I did get that one thing done. So I'm going to give myself a 10 out of 10 because, well, it's either 1 or 10. So, team, I will agree with an 8. I think you had some progress on getting credentials for the website and stuff that you didn't mention. And the process improvement, reconnecting with the WIKISPEED mail list, but we have to do that after we get the website up and running again. I guess that's 2 things that we've got on the process improvement. And that's about it for me.
Yeah, okay, so let's end the recording, and then I do want to talk about the website.
Okay, here we go.